Welcome to ATeck. If you are looking for budget-friendly gaming PC, this tutorial is for you. So, this pre-built PC CPU and GPU combination is perfect for a budget-friendly gaming PC, so with this combo, this PC will play almost any game with over 100 FPS at 1080p. And even some AAA titles at 2K resolution. The CPU we've locked in is the Ryzen 5 5600, a trusted chip for demanding games and productivity performance. We've finished the motherboard off by locking a 1TB M.2 SSD in and 16GB of RAM. Now that we've thrown the MOBO into the case, we can pop in the RX 6600. This GPU is ideal for the 5600 CPU and everything you'd want for a 1080p focused gaming PC. If you liked the video, do like it and subscribe my channel for more tech updates.